The thing is sweet. Plain and simple. It's sweet. Alright, so this box right here is the VO switch. Controls 8 different things. The control switch inside the vehicle is controlled basically via USB cable. So you only run one cable inside the vehicle. All your other outputs you wired in right here. So I've got the compressor for the air lockers, a switch for the front air locker, rear air locker. I have a trans cooling fan override switch so that I can turn the trans fan on anytime. And then I've got wiring for the outer pods, the center light bar, and then the soon-to-be cowl pods. Something where there's a hole already right there. So it's going to go like that. And the pod light will go right there.
Will it stay?
And then since there's an 8th switch, I added a lead in there and then shrunk wrap it closed on the outside so I don't have to go back in the box. But Dan Bastion's the one that kind of led me into this one. And when I wired it up for his truck, I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get one of that. That's badass. You can make them strobe, you can, damn, I don't remember all the other functions, but the thing is sweet. Plain and simple, it's sweet.
All right, now is there something inside the truck you needed to show me?
Pause. I might have showed you at one point. Yeah, what's the nice thing is, so this is the switch inside. As you can see, there's 4 pins. Basically, it's USB. There's power, ground, and then 2 control circuits. And then you got 8 switches. And you have your choice of putting whatever you have, like there's trans fan.
Whatever it's hooked up for.
Yep. And then air compressor for the front and then the rear. And then all your different lights. So, that's what I've been doing all day today. Oh, the other cool thing is, not only is the VO switch give you the stickers for, say, automotive applications, but this is like an RV/marine one.
It's all the goods.
So, depending on what you're using it for, they got you covered. Momentary. I know that's flash, that's strobe, that's back to just on.